Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is Weather and Seasons. Scholars, the condition of heat, wind, cloudiness, etc. of a place on a particular day are together called weather. Weather changes every day. But what if weather condition remains same for many days? When the weather remains similar for many days, it is called a season. Scholars, there are 5 seasons in a year, namely spring, summer, rainy, autumn, and winter. So today in this chapter we'll discuss about the 5 main seasons in a year. So let's start with spring season. Spring season brings new life to the surrounding after the cold winter season. We can see new leaves on the trees, green grass, and flowers everywhere. The weather during spring season is very pleasant. Scholars, do you know which season comes after spring? Yes, right. It's summer season. Summer season comes after the spring season. The days are bright and hot. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. We sweat a lot and like to wear light-colored cotton clothes in summer season. We drink lot of water and eat or drink cold things. Next season that we are going to talk about is rainy season. After the hot summers comes the rainy season. It is also called the monsoon. It brings cool wind and heavy showers of rain with it. We need umbrellas and raincoats to keep dry. The rain washes the dust away. Sometimes we may see a rainbow in the sky, which is very beautiful to look at. Scholars, do you know what is a rainbow? A rainbow is a curved arc of light of 7 colors across the sky. Rainbow is caused by the sun's rays shining through drop of water during or after rain. Next season that we are going to talk about is autumn season. Scholars, between summer and winter season comes the autumn season. Some trees shed their leaves during autumn season. They need to prepare themselves for a very cold winter season. The weather turns cooler in this season. Last that we are going to talk about is winter season. Scholars, in winter season, the weather is very cold. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. We wear warm woolen clothes in winter season. In some parts of India, it snows during the winter season. It becomes very foggy, which make it difficult to ride a bicycle or drive a vehicle. Scholars, all the seasons and their weather changes are important for our crops. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 13. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So, the first point to remember is weather changes every day. Second point to remember is when the weather remains similar for many days, it is called season. Next point to remember is there are 5 seasons in a year, namely summer, winter, rainy, spring and autumn. Fourth point to remember is spring is a pleasant season because in this season we can see new leaves on the trees, green grass and flowers everywhere. Fifth point to remember is the days are bright and hot in the summer season. Sixth point to remember is rainy season brings rain after the hot summer season. Seventh point to remember is the trees shed their leaves during the autumn season because they need to prepare themselves for a very cold winter season. Last point to remember is it is very cold and foggy in the winter season. It becomes very foggy, which make it difficult to ride a bicycle or to drive a vehicle. Scholars, I hope you all enjoyed the chapter. The worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.